They can follow us. Yes, sir. So, I don't know what you say about that. The job is on the field, no longer in the office. You see? And we need to tell people that we have come, we have arrived, we have taken over. We need to come around and talk to our men, motivate them, encourage them, let them know that we are with them and we are here. Abuja is a law-abiding citizen, not criminals. We won't allow any hoodlum to infiltrate our environment. And that is where we are moving from point to point. We have been to some villages. We've been to Sumawan, Sumatu, Igu, Ugugunpada, Varan, Guani. Presently, we are the border post between the Federal Capital Territory, Niger State, and Kaduna State. This is the point where we are now. And you can see our strategic deployment. You can see the point here. This is where we mount the barrier to check the incursion. It has been helping us. A lot of recovery has been made here. So many attacks have been repelled at this point. So we can't afford to leave any inch of Abuja environment to any criminal. That is the message, and that is why we're happy.
Okay, sir.
The environment is safe for everyone. There have been enough money. Even when you go to big where you go to understand. Okay, that's my house. The main point is